So you want to teleport a component somewhere in world space. That's set world location. Now it basically ignores the actor's route and place a component directly into the world. Perfect when you need precision. Now to get this node, just right click and type in set world location. And one thing to notice here that we have three options. One for cube, cube 1 and default scene route. Now why it is happening here? Because it is targeted toward the scene component as the target is scene component. So it needs to be connected with a scene component, whether it's cube, and in your case it might be very different. And if you don't connect it, it will give you an error. But for now, as you can see on the screen, this is how you get this node. But for now, we will remove both of these because we have prepared an example, which is, as you can see on the screen, we have the event begin play from which we are taking execution pin to a delay of 5 seconds. So we can see it in action what is actually happening here, not just assume things. So after that, I am setting the world's location of this cube, not the whole actor. The whole actor will stay in place where it originally placed or supposed to be, but only the cube will move to a new location, which is 000. Now you can either swap it or teleport it, but for now we will just keep the both of this thing unchecked and see what happens. So let's just compile the code and see it in action for better understanding how it actually works. So let's just let's just adjust the camera angle for now because we need a good view. So sorry. Now as you can see, I just press begin play, and after 5 seconds, as you can see on the screen, the cube moved to a new location, which is 000. Let's just press escape, and again after 5 seconds it will again move to the 000, the new location. Now where it is actually used, it is used for moving camera, adjusting weapon sockets, or snapping pieces of an actor during gameplay. It's a super useful node. When you have, for example, making a spaceship, you want to move the components, or maybe a car, or maybe something, you don't want to move or rotate a full actor, you just want the component to do the work for you. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.